So on 4-91, it says you've been writing expressions in different ways to mean the same thing. These expressions depend upon whether you see tiles grouped together, like four sets of 2x plus 3 in part A on problem 490, or whether you see separate tiles, 8x tiles and 12 unit tiles. These two expressions are equivalent based on a mathematical property called the distributive property. Use the distributive property to write an equivalent expression for 21x plus 7. See if you can do it by visualizing tiles. So I can try and visualize them. That's kind of a challenging thing to do in my opinion. I rather focus in on the factors of those two numbers that's in the expression. So we have the number 21 and we have the number 7. So I know that 1 times 7 is 7 because 7 is prime. Those are my only two factors. That's the definition of a prime number, is that it only has itself and 1 as factors. But for 21, we have 1 and times 21 is 21. And we have 3 times 7 is 21. So our greatest common factor is 7. So we're going to have 7 groups of something. So if I have 7 ones, 7 unit tiles, and I'm dividing it into 7 groups, how many are in each group? Hopefully you thought just 1, because 1 times 7 is 7. If I have 21x tiles and I have 7 groups, I'm going to have 3x tiles in each of those groups. So I hope that makes sense for you. And again, if it doesn't, I want you to come to tutoring. Have that on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Most of them, it is listed usually either on the board or on our calendar if it isn't, the calendar in our room. You can also attend tutoring on Wednesday with Mrs. Smock, and she'll give you some help with those as well. Do your homework, please. It's worth half of your grade, your classwork grade, so make sure that you handle your business.